Okay, this is Mark Williams with your private adjuster. This is a continuation of the repair at the Villas residence. Today is December 22nd, and we have Alden Contracting here making a repair and getting a shingle for us to send to ITEL. All right. So typically, how many shingles do you have to touch to repair one shingle?
Three.
Three?
Three.
All right. Well, looks good. This is so we actually replaced 4 shingles to get to the how many did to replace one damaged shingle. Was that two damaged shingles?
damaged shingles.
The two damaged shingles. Okay. And this is the final result. Matching not being considered. And you can see over here we've got creased shingles above the repair. Creased shingle here. Crease here. And then I'm looking at the area where we were standing to make the repair. Alright, so now how long have you been in the roofing industry?
25 plus years.
Okay. And is this, you think this is a repairable shingle?
Not really, because of the degranulation of the repair after you work on it.
Okay. So even if you don't have the creases, you're still losing granules on those shingles.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Very good. This is Mark Williams, your private adjuster. We're making a repair to grab a shingle for ITEL report at the Palms Villa Condominium Association. Today's December 22nd, and I was out here with the insurance contractor, Alden Contracting, and I'm turning this video off this time.